Dear. Good afternoon. Happy Thursday. Wow. Good to see you again. It was nice to see you again. Ciao. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Hello. Can you see me clearly?
Yes,
Okay, can you say it again? Yes, I can see you.
yes, I can see,
See you.
see,
See you.
I can see you.
Okay, very good. How about can you hear me well?
What?
Can you hear me well? Here, can you hear me well?
Yes,
Okay, can you say it again? I can hear you well.
I can hear you well.
Yes, good job. So, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
Can you say it again?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
I'm very great because we will see each other today. Okay, how about did you eat lunch today?
Yes, I eat, I eat meat and rice.
Oh, wow! Who cooks your food?
My grandpa.
Wow, your grandpa. Is it delicious?
Yes,
Wow, that's very great. So, how about did you go to school today?
yes,
Can you say it again? Yes, I went to school.
yes, I went to school.
That's good job. Very good. So, how about do you have a homework to do?
Hmm, no,
Wow. Is it happy that you didn't have a homework?
yes.
Yes, because you are not busy. Okay. How about before our class, what did you do? Again, what did you do before our class?
I learn I learned science and English.
Wow, that's very nice, my dear. You are reviewing um your lesson. Wow, that's nice, my dear. What did you learn? What did you learn today on science? What is it all about?
Mm. Acid.
Hmm?
I learn acid.
Acid? Acid.
Yes.
Wow. How about this English? What did you learn on English?
I learn teen teenager.
Can you say it again? Teenager? Oh. What is it all about? Why teenager? Why is it teenager? Why, teenager, why? What did you learn in teenager? What is it all about in your English lesson? Hmm?
Unit 3.
Okay, so you learn Unit 3. Wow, that's very great, my dear. Because you are reviewing your lesson. Good job. Okay, so we will going to continue our lesson today. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. Can you say it again? Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I ready.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Okay, we will continue our class on I guess this one. Okay, this one. We will continue here. So wait. Okay. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Can you say it? Can you say it again? Yes, I can see it. Can you see that one? Yes, I can see your screen.
Yes, I can say.
I can see your screen.
Yeah.
Can you say that?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
I can see your screen.
I can see screen.
Yes, very good, good job. So we will continue, my dear, our lesson last Thursday. So look at the pictures, my dear. What can you see in the pictures? And then rearrange the letters that you can see in the circle. Okay, for example, number one, what can you see on the pictures? Two girls that they are both walking on the night. So they are walking together. So that's why um the word um that's why the answer is together. So they are going to walking together. So how about the number two? What can you see in his backpack? I think there are lots of more of things that in his backpack. So what can you see that, my dear? That you can rearrange this word.
E.
Okay. What can you see?
I can say he is E.
He is what? What?
He is tired.
Okay, tired, but you can't see the T in this circle. So you can rearrange this one and
Yes.
then you can see the pictures that he is a lot of things in his backpack. So what can you see in that, my dear? What can you see in his backpack? He is what?
Happy.
Yes. Can you say it again?
Happy.
Good job. Very good, my dear. It's heavy. Okay. Next, what can you see in the pictures? Number three.
Deep.
Yes, good job. Next, what can you see on number four?
One là ừ, ờ,
What can you see?
Leon.
I think it have a it has what you should call that. It has a in the letters.
Letter.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, we can skip that. Number 5.
Right. Puri.
Okay, Yuri. Okay. Next, number 6. What can you see in the picture that can arrow?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. What can you see in the arrow? What is, you can see this one ball and one ball. So what you should call this one? Is it what? What can you see?
I don't know.
Okay. I will going to um okay. So okay. How about number 7?
Dark.
Can you say it again?
Dark.
Dark.
Yeah.
Okay, can you say it again? Dark.
Dark.
Okay. Number 8. What can you see in number 8?
I don't know.
Okay, we'll go to skip that. How about this number 9? What can you see in the picture? Okay, what can you see in the picture, my dear? What is this?
Scare.
Can you say it again?
Scare.
Yeah, he is scared. She is scared. But what is the another word of scared? It haven't a S in this circle. So what is the correct answer? Or the correct word that you can see in the circle? What's that? She is like, what can you see in the circle? She is what?
I don't know.
Okay, we will going to skip that. You skip 4, 6, 8, and 9, and the number 10. What is your answer, number 10? What
Bar.
can you say it again?
Bar.
Bat?
Bat. Yeah.
Bat? Oh, okay. Yeah, this is a bat, but what you have to rearrange the letters in this pictures.
I don't know.
Okay, we will skip that. Okay, I will reveal the answer. Okay. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Okay. Yes, it's very good, my dear. So your answer number 2 is correct. Good job, Deep. Oh, yeah. He is alone, my dear.
Alone.
Yeah, he is alone. As you can see in the first picture, they are together because he have a walking someone. So if you are the one who in the walking the night, so that is alone. And then your number 5 is correct. Good job because it's fury or fast. Fast and fury is it's the same meaning. It's the same words, but you can it depends on the sentences or it depends on you what you will use in that words. So as you can see in number 6, my dear, this is the big ball and small ball. So the another word of big is large. Yes, large. As you can see in the arrow, you should you can see, as you can see, that is a large ball. So it's large. And then, very good, my dear. You're number 7. Good job, dark. Number 8, it's strange. It's because the bird is have a 3 eyes, so it's strange. Yeah. Number 9, the another word of scared that you said earlier, it's frightened. Yeah. So that, my dear, you have to remember that the another word of scared is frightened. So that is another feeling of scared. It's frightened. So number 10, as you can see the bat, when you see a bat, it's horrible or it's horrible. Yeah. It's
Horrible.
horrible. Yes, good job. Okay, can you please read these words, my dear?
Heavy.
Good job. Next.
Deep.
Next.
Alone.
Good job. Next.
Hurry.
Good job. Next.
Lack.
Can you say it again? Large.
Large.
Good job. Next.
Dark.
And next.
Strength.
Very good. Next.
Fry. Ten.
Good job. Next.
Hor. Horrible. Horrible.
Good job. Very good, my dear. So you can remember these words because on our next topic, on your next task, it's you have to write the words from activity 2 in this sentence. Yeah. Okay. For example, the hole at the entrance to the cave was very deep. Yeah, was very deep. Okay, how about number 2? We saw a very what? Hmm. Okay, wait. I will going to. Hmm. Okay, wait. Going to. What grade book is this? Oh, why?
Um.
Why? Why, my dear? Is it hard? Why? Hmm. Okay. Wait. I find it a bit strange. Why? Why you find a bit strange? Why is it strange? That book, my dear, it's um just like you. It's from teenagers, just like you. Um, um, 13, 14, 15. So that is teenager, just like you. You are teenager, right?
Height.
Hmm. Yeah, you're grade 8, so I think your age is it you are 13?
What?
What how old are you?
Um. 13.
Yeah. So you are teenager
Oh.
now. So this book is for teenager, just like you, just like grade 8. Yeah.
Mm.
Mm. So so you can I think you can answer it now. Okay, for example, we saw a very blank cave in the forest. It was really big. So what's that? You can um you can find it in the number two task. You can find this one in this. Yeah, okay. This is the okay. We saw a very blank cave in the forest. It was really big. So what kind of oh wait.
Maya go out.
Can you say it again?
Maya go out.
Okay, you can go, my dear.
Thank you.
Okay. Mhm.
No.
Okay, we will continue. My dear, are you not familiar for this all of this word? Heavy. Did you know what is heavy? Can you see me clearly?
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
I can see.
Yes, good job. How about did you know what is the word heavy?
Yes.
Okay. Heavy. How about deep? Did you know what is deep?
What?
Deep? This one?
Deep?
Yes, we. Okay, deep. This one.
Yeah. No.
Hmm. I didn't know deep. Okay, I will go into search that on. Okay. Okay, this is deep.
No.
Okay. Next. Oh wait, sorry. Next. Did you know alone?
Alone.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. Fury. Did you know what is fury?
Good. Yes.
Okay. Large. Did you know what is large?
Mm, no. Yes.
Okay. How about dark? Did you know what is dark?
Yes.
Strange.
No.
Okay. Wait, I will going to translate it that to you. Okay. Strange. Hmm. Yeah. This is strange. So you know now what is strange?
Yes.
Okay. How about, oh, sorry. How about frighten?
No.
Okay, I will going to write. Yes. Hmm. This frighten. Is it did you know now?
Yes.
Okay. How about horrible? Did you know what is horrible?
Yes. And no. No.
Okay. I will going to translate again. Horrible. Okay. So how about this one? Did you know now?
Tệ hại.
Yeah.
Okay. So this word, my dear, that you have to choose this word so that you can complete the right words in this number 3 task. Yes, in this number 3 task. Okay, wait. Oh, so, okay. We saw a very blank cave in the forest. It was really big. So what you have to choose on these words, my dear. Is it heavy, deep, alone, fury, large, dark, strange, frightened, or
Love.
horrible? Can you say it again?
Love.
Can you say it again?
Large.
What is
Large.
what is the number? Your
Six.
answer, what is the number?
Number six.
Yes, good job. Can you say it again? Can you please read with your answer? But you should pronounce it large.
Large.
Can you say it
We
again?
shall
Large.
large.
Can you say it again? Large.
Large.
Good job. Okay. Can you please read with your answer number 2?
Mm. We saw a very large cave in the forest. It was really very big.
Good job. How about number 3? That is a blank creature. It got 3 eyes. Okay. Is it heavy, deep, alone, fury, dark, strange,
Strength.
frightened, horrible?
Strength.
Can you say it again? Strange.
Strength.
Okay. Can you please read number 3 with your answer?
That's a strength. Free to It's got 3 eyes.
Good job. Very good. How about number 4? Holly and Hori went on their adventure blank. Is it together, heavy, deep, alone?
One.
Okay. Can you say it again? So can you please read with your answer? Number 4?
Holly and Harry went on their adventure
What is your answer?
together.
Yes. Very good, my dear. Good job. Next. Number 5. Come and touch this rabbit. It's really soft and black. Is it heavy, deep, alone, fury, dark?
Hurry,
Okay. Can you please read
hurry,
with your answer? Number
hurry,
5.
hurry.
Okay. Can you please read with your answer?
Uh, ho- come and touch this rabbit. It's really short and furry.
Good job. Number 6. The rucksack was very blank. Is it heavy, edge, alone, dark, frightened, or horrible? Did you know what is rucksack, my dear? Did you know what is rucksack? Did you know?
Yeah,
Okay, so the rucksack was very blank. Is it heavy, deep, alone?
and,
No. Yes?
and heavy.
Good job. Next, okay, can you please read with your answer?
The rucksack was very heavy.
Good job. Number 7, you should not walk in the forest blank. What is your answer?
Deep.
Oh,
Oh,
can you say it again? Um, okay. Wait. I will going to okay. Okay. No. The heavy it's okay. You answered okay. Al Fury. Lord. Yes. Okay. You can choose alone, dark, frightened, and horrible. What is your answer?
alone.
Hmm. Can you say it again?
Alone.
Okay, can you please read with your answer? Number 7.
You shouldn't walk in the forest alone.
Yes, very good. Number 8. Holly was blank when she suddenly saw a bat. So what's that?
Holy war,
It is, yes.
frightened.
Okay. What is your answer? You didn't answer both. Yeah, you should answer one only.
Bath,
Yes, can you say it again?
bath.
Yes, that is a bat. So Holly was blank when she suddenly saw a bat. So what is your answer? Is what? What is her reaction? Because she saw a bat. So her reaction. So
He,
what's that?
he was frightened.
Good job. Okay, can you please read with your answer number 9?
Uh, I hate bath. The horrible, the
Hmm.
horrible.
Okay, can you say it again? Number 8. Sorry. Number 8, I mean.
I hate bath. They got big wings.
Wait, my dear. I think number 8. We are in number 8.
Number 8,
Yes. Number 8. What is your answer, number 8? Can you please?
frightened.
Okay. So can you please read with your answer? Number 8? Oh, wait. Holly was what? Okay. So can you please read?
Oliver frightened when she suddenly saw a bat.
Good job. Very good. Number 9. I hate bats. They have got big wings and they are blank. So what is your answer?
I hate bat. They got big wing. They horrible.
Good job. Wow, very good. Number 10. What is your answer? The cave was a very blank inside.
Very dark.
Okay, can you please say read with your answer?
The cave was very dark inside.
Yes, good job, very good. So I will going to um correct check your answer number 1. Your answer is okay, wait. I think that's okay. It's not okay. Oh, oh wait, so it's not okay. Your answer number 1 is number 2. Yes, good job. Number 2, 3, good job. Very good, very good, very good. Number 6, very good. Good job. Yes. Yeah. You got a perfect score, my dear. Very good. Good job. Wow. You have a 3 stars. Okay, next. So because you know this word, so we will going to reading and writing. Okay. I will going to zoom it so you can see it clearly. So, reading and writing. Okay, dear, this is the story of the start of Holly and Harry's adventure. Write the missing word. Okay, for example, you can choose on the box, my dear. Yes? Wait, going to translate this one. Hmm. I think wait, my dear. I think it's loading. Okay. No. Last is it is in last Saturday, but now it's okay now. Why? Oh, why? Why? Why, my dear? I will going to. Oh, it was pretty dark next to you. Oh, yeah. It's because wait, I will going to turn on our lights. Wait. Okay. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Okay, so it's okay now? Is it light now? Is it not? Is it?
Yeah.
Hmm. Is it? Is it not dark now? Okay, can you hear me? Um, yours? I think no. No. It's okay. It's okay, my dear. Okay. Okay. So we will continue. We will continue now, my dear. So number one, reading and writing. So you can choose your answer on this box. So for example, number one, Harry whispered, "Let's have an adventure." He blanked several snacks in his pocket. So it's put, arrive. So my dear, wait, I want to ask you a question about this word first so you can know what is your answer on this story. So did you know what is put?
I don't know. Decided, hurt,
Yes. Decided,
arrive,
hurt, arrive, all of these
with,
words. You didn't know all of these
with,
words?
yes.
Okay. First, I will going to translate put first. Hmm. Yeah. Oh, it's, yeah.
What?
Hmm. This is food. You know now?
All right.
Okay.
I don't.
Arrives. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Arrives. Yes. Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Okay. Next, what is the next? Hurt. Did you know what is hurt?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is hurt. Okay, next.
This
Walk.
decided.
Oh, decided. Sorry. Decided. How about walk? Did you know what is walk?
Yeah.
Okay, this is decided, my dear.
Okay.
Okay. Walk. Did you know what is walked?
No.
Okay. Walked.
No.
Yeah.
No.
My dear, this is simple past with ed. Yeah. That is the past on walked. Okay, so because you understand now or you know now the this word in the box, so you should, oh wait, I'm sorry. It's my bad. Okay. You can now choose the words so you can answer it properly in this story. Okay, for example, Harry whispered this one, minimize voice. Let's have an adventure. He blanked several
What?
snacks in his pockets. So what is your answer?
He
Yeah,
he bought
we have a snacks and then he blanked in his pocket. So what is your answer in the box?
he bought
Can you say it again?
but but
It's put. It's
mm,
put, my dear. Yes, you can pronounce that correctly. Put. P, p, put. Put.
put
Yes, good job. Very good. Put. Okay.
put
Number 3. We blank straight on up the path by the river. What is your answer?
we
We puts no. He put several snacks in his pockets. We blanked straight on up the path by the river. So what is your answer? Is it arrived, heard, decided, or walked? What is your answer, my dear? Okay, we walk. Okay. Okay, how about number 4? Harry blanked himself on a rock. We blank, on the way, Harry blank. Okay, number 5. What is your answer, number 5? We blank at the entrance to a cave. We blank to go in. Okay, my dear, can you please read with your answer first? And then I can reveal the answer now. Okay.
he he put
No. Oh, wait, my dear.
several
You can first, Harry, in the first part.
ha- Harry with her let's had an adventure. He put several several snacks in his pocket. We we work we worked Jay on up the park by the river. On the way, Harry hurt himself on a rock. We uh, we decided at the entrance to a cave. We de- uh, we arrived to go in.
Okay, so first I will go to reveal the answer. Okay, whisper, put, good job, very good. Okay, good job. Oh, it's okay. Now we walked. Yes, good job, very good. Hurt, arrived, decided. Good job. Very good, my dears. You get a perfect score again. Yes. Okay, that's very nice, my dear. Good job. Yes. Okay, keep it up, my dears. Next, number two, match the sentences. Oh, sorry. Oh, this one, it's so okay. Okay, match the sentences, my dear, with the pictures. For example, these sentences paint a pictures of the story and make it more interesting. So number one, letter A, the other children were telling stories. Number one. So you have to match, my dear, your answer on these pictures. Letter B, we were walking through the woods. So you can choose numbers in these pictures in this letter. You can write your answer, my dear.
Or or
You can choose on the pictures, my dear. Okay. How about we were walking through the woods? The silver moon and stars were shining. Harry was whistling a happy tune. We're feeling a bit frightened. Yes. Okay. 136254. So I will reveal the answer. 136254. Oh, 45. 136245. 1362. Yes, good job, my dear. Very good, because you did a great job today. So can you please read these sentences, all of these sentences, my dear?
the other children were telling story. We were feeling a friend, bit frightened.
Wait.
We
Okay.
were we were walking through the
Woods.
the wolf.
Okay. Next.
Um, the teacher were reading newspaper and magazine.
Good job. Next.
The silver the silver moon and star were shining.
Very good. Good job. Next.
Harry whistling a happy tune.
Yes, good job. Very good. Okay, very good on your task today. So next, we will go to a grammar. Okay. Wait, I will go. Okay. Number. So we will go to listening and writing. Okay. So what is Hallie is writing about the adventure she had with Harry. Put the missing sentences from page 78 into her story. This one. So, for example, letter A. Harry and I were a bit bored while near the campfire. Harry whispered to me, I'm going to go and explore. You can't go by yourself. I said, I'm coming with you. Okay. He went to his tent and put several snacks in his pockets. I put some blankets and sweaters in a rucksack, but Harry said it was too heavy and we cannot take it with us blank when we left our tents so we could see well. So what is your answer? Holly is writing about the adventure she had with Harry. Put the missing sentences from page 78 into her story. So my dear, you can um put your word answer for this one. Number 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. What is the correct? You had to choose what is correct missing sentences or missing words in the sentences. Okay, I think that's all for today. It's out of time. So thank you very much, my dear. You did great today and your tasks. So goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay. See you on Saturday. Bye.